Hey there, explorers! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of programming. Today, we're diving into the fascinating concept of state in programming. It's a fundamental idea that powers so much of what we do in software development. Imagine a program as a live performance. The state is like what's happening on stage at any given moment. In programming, state refers to all the information that defines what the program is doing at a specific point in time. Think about your favorite apps. State is how they remember your preferences and keep track of what's in your shopping cart. So buckle up and let's explore the fascinating world of state together. Let's start simple with a light bulb. A light bulb can be in one of two states, on or off. That's it. In programming, we represent this with a variable. We might call it and give it a value of on or off. When you flip the switch, you're changing the light bulb's state. In programming, we update the variable to reflect this change. See? Simple, right? Now, let's look at something a bit more complex. Imagine a car. A car has many states: parked, driving, reversing, braking, and more. Each state affects how the car behaves. In programming, we might represent these states with different variables, and so on. As the driver interacts with the car, starting the engine, shifting gears, accelerating, they're changing the car's state. Our program needs to track all these changes and respond accordingly. Now let's see how state works in the digital world. Imagine you're creating a simple game with a character. You can represent your character state using an object or a map. This code defines an object with properties like and. These properties hold the current state of our game character. As the game progresses, these properties will change. For instance, if Astro takes damage, we'll decrease the value. This dynamic nature of objects and maps makes them perfect for representing state in programming. Section 5. User interfaces, websites. Remember you. Have you ever wondered how websites seem to know who you are even after you've closed your browser or turned off your computer? Ever noticed how websites remember your login or what's in your shopping cart? That's state in action. This state management is what allows websites to offer a seamless and personalized experience. Imagine a website has a special class designed to keep track of your interactions. This class is like a blueprint that defines how your data is stored and managed. This class might have properties like your username, whether you're logged in, and the items in your shopping cart. These properties are crucial for maintaining your session and personalizing your experience. For example, the class might look something like this: JavaScript class user, constructor, tisa, login username, as add to cart item. As you interact with the website, these properties get updated in real time. Login, and the logged in property becomes true, allowing the website to recognize you becomes true. Add something to your cart and it gets added to the cart array, keeping track of your selected items. This is how websites keep track of you and personalize your experience. By managing state effectively, websites can offer features like personalized recommendations, saved shopping carts, and seamless logins, making your online experience more convenient and enjoyable. Section 6. Saving your app, like taking a snapshot. In this section, we will explore the importance of saving your app's state and how it can enhance user experience. Imagine playing a game and suddenly needing to stop. Maybe you have to answer a call or attend to something urgent. Wouldn't it be frustrating to lose all your progress? All those hours spent leveling up, achieving milestones, gone in an instant. That's where saving your app's state comes in. It's a crucial feature that ensures users can pick up right where they left off without any hassle. Think of it like taking a snapshot of your program at a specific moment. This snapshot is a detailed record of the app's current state. This snapshot captures all the important information like player progress, settings, and anything else necessary to restore the experience. It's like freezing time in your app. We can save this snapshot to your device's storage. This way, all the critical data is safely stored and can be accessed anytime. The next time you open the app, it loads the saved state and picks up right where you left off. Pretty cool, right? This seamless transition makes the user experience smooth and enjoyable, ensuring that no progress is ever lost. Implementing state-saving features is not just about convenience. It's about creating a reliable and user-friendly application. It shows that you value your users' time and effort. So remember, saving your app's state is like taking a snapshot. It's a small step that makes a big difference in the overall user experience. Section 7. Changing state, updating your profile. Changing state in programming is like updating your online profile. Let's say you want to change your profile picture. When you click Change Profile Picture, the website's code updates the property of your user object with the new image. This change is then reflected in the user interface, showing everyone your snazzy new picture. Section 8. State management, keeping things organized. As our programs grow larger and more complex, managing state can become tricky. That's where state management comes in. Imagine a giant warehouse full of boxes, each representing a piece of your app's state. State management is like having a super organized system for labeling, storing, and retrieving these boxes. Good state management makes your code cleaner, easier to understand, and less prone to errors. It's crucial for building robust and user-friendly applications. Section 9. Recap state is everywhere. From a simple light bulb to complex video games, state is everywhere in programming. It's how we represent and control the dynamic nature of our applications. We've seen how state works in classes, objects, user interfaces, and even the entire application. We've also learned about saving and loading state and the importance of state management. Section 10. Conclusion, ready to build. Congratulations, you've just completed a whirlwind tour of state in programming. You now understand a fundamental concept that powers countless applications and websites. Remember, mastering state management takes practice. Start by experimenting with simple examples and gradually tackle more complex scenarios. With time and dedication, you'll become a state management pro in no time.